Hi guys, welcome back in Efficient Graphic Design channel. In this video, I will teach you how to change the color of things. But before we begin, if you don't have the Adobe Photoshop installed in your machine, I place the link in the description below where you can download the last version of Photoshop for free. And if you have any problem installing the software, just leave me a comment and I will help you. To get started, let's open these two images. We want to change the color of this pink dress first. So, first, we zoom a little bit to get the dress part clear. Then, using the quick selection tool, we select the part we want to change the color. The quick selection tool is very useful in such cases. We create a copy of the selection using Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Under Adjustment, Hue and Saturation, we grab the little arrow of hue until we have the color we want. And we use the saturation arrow to make the color look great. You can see the difference now. The color is changed in a great way. Changing the hue and saturation, we can get so many colors to choose from. And like you can see, the result is perfect. Now we will change the color of this second image using the same technique. We change the hue adjustment until we get the color we want. After we grab the saturation arrow to get the color saturation degree we are satisfied with. You can notice that the result we get is perfect and the color was changed in a professional way. Alright guys, I wish you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to get the tutorials coming up. And if you have any issues, leave me a comment and I will reply. Thank you.